This is TWiT. I got a moral panic for you.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
The Interior Department.
Poor Stacey's really worried. Stacey's worried for us.
The U.S. Department of Interior is adopting a no-fly rule aimed at drones made in China or with Chinese parts. I defy you to find a drone that is not made in China.
Yeah.
Not a one.
Period. Now, that doesn't mean you can't fly it, and it means, though, that the government will stop flying drones for the most part, and that could be a big problem because drones save lives.
And they actually help get work done too.
Yeah, they save money.
Not just cinematic stuff. They just
Interior
help get work
officials
done.
recorded 10,000 drone flights in 2018. Alaska, Hawaii, Oregon, and California. That was double the number the year before. It saved at least $14 million by using drones instead of helicopters or airplanes. Not to mention safety.
Yep.
People die, as we know, in helicopters and airplanes. U.S. Forest Service firefighter died in March in a helicopter crash in Texas. Now we're going to be putting people back in harm's way, said an Interior Department firefighter based in Alaska. It's a real step back for us. Oh, but thank goodness the Chinese won't be able to see our forests. I guess the theory is Chinese-made drones are somehow spying
if they have spyware
on us.
on them. Yeah, the worry is of spying or backdoors. I will say that a lot of people use drones for like running for oil pipelines and tracking like for leaks and such like that along valuable infrastructure. So is it secret exactly that those things are there? I don't think so.
No.
But, having a more detailed view, I mean, I think we're a little paranoid, but I also think the data is out there.
Chinese manufacturer DJI makes the most popular top-of-the-line drones. It's the drones
the Matrice line
use.
The Matrice line is really big.
The Phantoms and
and all of those companies. I use Autel. They're another Chinese company.
Yeah, well, there you go. DJI said it's disappointed that the new interior policy, quote, inappropriately treats a technology's country of origin as a litmus test for its performance, security, and reliability. They say it's a politically motivated agenda to reduce market competition and support domestically produced drone technology, regardless of its
where are
merits.
those domestically produced
We're going to have
drones?
to create we're going to have to get going and create a domestic drone industry.
Shoot us an email here at TWiT, please.
Is Parrot in?
I thought Parrot was Chinese also.
They were the first drones, quadcopters I saw. But I bet they are. I mean.
Yeah, I thought
It just seems to me like I understand the security issue, but boy, it just feels like it's more about politics than anything else.
It's very, very much
100%.
It's harassment.
Yeah.
By doing this, I hope it
does. The problem is when policy isn't based on policy. When policy is based on self-interest, whether national or personal,
it's French.
That's the problem.
Parrot is French. That's why
the policy based on personal interest.
I do not want any French drones flying over our oil pipelines.
That's Wagyu cheese.
The recipe from the sister. I want Liberty drones.
Liberty drones.
None of these French drones.
I love the flags that Mr. Kevin's putting up.
I bet, though, many of the parts are made in China, which would then make them also banned.
Still be Chinese then.
Yeah, they still be banned.
We're back to that again.
Yeah.
Even with this whole banning, if you will, one would say, hey, well, maybe this will spark an interest of getting something here homegrown and whatnot, but I doubt it, right?